Hey guys, this is Matt. Just unboxed the phone, didn't do a whole lot. I had my semester exam the next day, so mostly been moving files from my old phone. It's the first thing I noticed when I booted up the phone that it was still running on MIUI 9 for no reason. So I have to update to MIUI 10. Had to give up all my data elements on the get-go. That's a good start. So build-wise, nothing out of the ordinary. The same tried and tested design that Xiaomi's been doing it for a lot of the Note series phone for the last couple of years. It's basically Poco on the front and Note 5 Pro on the back. It went from 26 to 67 I guess in 40 minutes. That's really fast for a budget phone. FYI, I didn't use the bundled charger, I used the fast charger that they had. It does support Quick Charge 3.0 but you have to buy the charger separately. The fingerprint sensor in this phone is really fast and accurate, and the face unlock is not that fast. Maybe my OnePlus 6 spoiled me, I don't know. Performance wise, this guy is holding up quite good. No jitters or anything, my usage goes like this. A lot of music, podcasts, social media, an hour of YouTube, and a little bit of PUBG sometimes. So this is how it goes. For this kind of usage, I didn't see any lags. It works perfectly fine. It's day 2, my exams are over, so I had some time to check out the camera. Didn't shoot a whole lot, click some pictures here and there. Turning out to be a really good shooter, extraction on portrait mode is top notch. I'm not going to reveal anything in this video, this camera deserves a video on its own. Look out for a camera review of some sort in the coming days. So finally, played some PUBG for a bit. Not the smoothest of experience I had. It doesn't support HD, that's a big bummer. They should have gone with 660, but Xiaomi knows this processor ain't gonna do shit, yet they use 636. So this is not your PUBG machine. Other than that, your regular Temple Run and Subway Surfers will run fine. The display on this thing is gorgeous, very vibrant. This panel produces really good colors. I do a lot of color sensitive works on my phone. I shoot and edit photos all the time. So if you want to see my photos, head on over to Instagram and type lens_ripe. You can criticize my work or we could have a little chat, anything you want. This problem really flew under my radar. What's that you ask? This phone doesn't support full HD videos, like the Poco phone. I don't know why Xiaomi keeps doing this. It's just a certificate, fucking buy it already. I love this display and I want to watch 1080p videos on this thing, but no, what Xiaomi thinks is that we're all poor and couldn't afford to watch in 1080p. That sums it up my 2-day usage. I would recommend this phone to people even without giving it the review treatment. I'm that confident. So feel free to like this video and also do subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's been Matt. See you another time. Peace out.